Software programs like Photoshop make it easier than ever for people to commit forgery, which Colorado defines as wholly or partly falsifying a document with the intent to defraud somebody. 5 acts that could get you arrested for forgery are: 1. Writing a fake will. 2. Changing the numbers on a lottery ticket. 3. Writing a fake letter of recommendation for yourself. 4. Using another person's signature on a check or credit card charge slip. Or 5. Doctoring college transcripts. Simply possessing a forged instrument with intent to defraud is a Class 1 misdemeanor in Colorado, carrying up to 18 months in jail and/or a fine of up to $5,000. But if the forged document is a government-issued instrument, such as money or a stock certificate or a document affecting a legal right, then the suspected forger faces Class 5 felony charges, carrying up to 3 years in prison and/or a fine of up to $100,000. If you've been arrested in Colorado, call my legal team for a free consultation at 303-222-0330. Our experienced attorneys at the Colorado Legal Defense Group will do everything to try to get your charges reduced or dismissed.